week's video. So this week's video has been a requested video, which has been a bullet journal video. So I've combined a plan with me for college bullet journal edition with my August bullet journal plan with me video. So yeah, I thought this would be fun and great for starting back to school, because you can still kind of use the same thing that I'm doing for high school, so I think that is going to be really beneficial as well. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys end up liking this video, and as well, don't forget to follow my social medias right here, as well as subscribe down below. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, so without any more rambling, let's get on into the video. Hey guys, so for supplies, we're going to be using the Crayola crayons, and then I found this set of just random colored pencils, so we're going to be using that. Just some thin pens, some highlighters, and then some of the zebra mild liners. Um, those are always really good to have. We're gonna use as well a gel ballpoint pen and two mechanical pencils just for drawing and going over stuff, and then my bullet journal itself. Hey guys, so this journal is basically my 2019 2020 academic school year journal. So I'm just showing you guys the key, and what I'm doing is just going in with a gel ballpoint pen and just outlining all the stuff. And then what I also am going to be doing is color coding. That little section at the bottom that says color code, I'm actually going to be using Crayola crayons to go ahead and color them in because I didn't want them to bleed through. So I'm just coloring them for different events so I can use them throughout my bullet journal. I thought color coding for specific things would be really good. So that is what I'm doing. That is what helps me. And yeah, so I've got that, and I've got icons all on this key, which is an easy way to help organize. And then the next page is going to be my birthdays and anniversaries page. I love this. And basically what I did was I went ahead and outlined it with a fine tip pen, and then I shaded it in for the circle, and then when I outlined it on the box, I colored that same section in with a colored pencil just so it's really easy and it matches, and it just, I like the way marker outline or pen outlines with colored pencils look. That's just me in particular, so that's what I did for all of those. And then I basically just did it in a rainbow type color. Um, and it wasn't for any specific reason. I just thought it looked really cool like this, and I like that I can have a spot to put all of important dates, to remember certain birthdays or anniversaries and things like that. So what I also did was take a gel pen and I outlined each of the boxes just so the boxes would stand out a little bit more and just basically give more depth. I'm a big person on having depth in my bullet journal stuff, so that is basically Okay, so for this next spread, I am doing my schedule or like my timetable, and I'm just labeling out my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then all of the times from, I want to say like I did from 8 in the morning to like 9 at night or something like that. And then what I'm doing is pulling up my class schedule and I'm blocking out certain times. But I'm dividing like each of the days out. So I'm drawing dividers so I have a pretty even space in between each of the days just so I can section out from a time to a certain time on what a certain class is. So now what I'm doing here is taking my mild liners and I'm just highlighting in the spaces for certain classes. So if I have a class on a Monday as well as a Thursday, those are going to be highlighted in the same exact color. So each class is going to be represented by one color, and I thought this was going to be very helpful and useful. So at the top of this page, I'm taking all of the colors and I'm just drawing like little lines right up at the top by the schedule. And what I'm going to be doing is putting the time of the class as well as the class name, just so it helps me identify what color goes with what class and specifically what time that class is at. So for my August cover spread, I am going to be taking the like gel pen and I'm just going to be outlining pretty much the border of that square like rectangle that you see as well as the lettering inside of it. This is for the cover page and it just says August. The theme is sunflowers and the main color is yellow for this look. So what I'm going to be doing is first, we're going to be taking one of the thin pens and I'm just going to be coloring in all of the flowers, or sunflowers, and then as well as the little leaves that are on there. I want to say there's only like four or something like that. Those are all going to be colored in green, and the center is going to be colored in brown. So it just resembles a sunflower as best as possible. And then where that August box is, that is going to be colored in yellow with the mild liners, just so it has a thin, transparent look to it, but you can still see the color, and I just thought it was really cool. So yeah. So this spread is my habit tracker as well as my sleep log. And what you see are these monthly small calendars with certain topics. So I'm just taking a mild liner and highlighting each of the topics. And then I took the gel pen and kind of traced out the lettering that I had that's just this habit tracker on it. And then I did the same thing for the lettering with the sleep log, and I left all the numbers that are there just for when I have to fill that in. Next is going to be budgeting, and I'm just going to be taking my gel pen and going over the lettering as well for that. Nothing too fancy, just because I want to use this as I'm going throughout my year. So I'm really just outlining everything just so it's kind of ready to go when I do end up using it. So yeah, and then after that, I have my mood tracker, which is basically just a bunch of small Polaroids that are all hung up on strings. And these are really, really cute. And I thought this would kind of be great for this little theme that I have going on here, because you will see that I will have in one of the little Polaroid cameras as well about this. So I wanted to incorporate this for my mood trackers. So what I'll be doing is filling in each of the little Polaroid square pictures with that color that represents that day. And yeah, so I just thought this would be a really cool mood tracker. So this spread is just my monthly calendar. So what I'm going to be doing is taking that gel pen and just outlining the lettering as well as any of the boxes that you see on this page. And then the main color is yellow, so I'm filling in the letters with yellow. And then I'll be taking a mild liner pen and just kind of doing dashes in between each of the squares or rectangles, just so it gives that pop of yellow that I want this page like main color to be. So first thing I'm going to be doing is taking a ballpoint pen and outlining all the letters. So this has the month and then the week of that specific spread. And then on the side where I have spots to put important information, notes, things to do, I'm going to be outlining that as well as outlining my little Polaroid that you guys see there at the bottom. And then I'm going to be using my mild liners in the color blue and yellow to highlight all of the days as well as those information in that box. And then I'm going to be filling in the Polaroid with a yellow. So these last two pages that you guys don't see right now, but I will be filling out soon, are going to be like my August favorites and my August playlist, so that is to come.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, I'm actually so happy that you guys requested this, because I was really excited to do a video like this. So if you guys want to see more bullet journal videos, let me know, and I will definitely do more of those for you guys. And yeah, so anyways, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!